Yo, what's up, beautiful ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? Peace and love. It's Chris Lad, Opaniki under my umbrella, Chibuzo Bobo, reporting live from Classic and TV. How y'all doing, my people? Peace and love. I'm thinking I'm getting be. Kene moon, where can I can know you can have a canal, consider $1,000,000 a Webelugo Bell, Kessibi and Kukwea. I got the kitchen, Shara, Guago, and Niru Kaigana, I believe Wangi no, fuck God. You say. So, my people, the topic of today is simply the meaning of sacrifice. Ichu Kedifi ichu potaloni Igbo, because you know a lot of words lose their deep and true meanings when translated to English language. English is a lie-coded language. English is the matrix we live in. You know, so sometimes when you say something in English and translate it to Igbo, they don't mean the same thing. You get me? And if you're looking for the true meaning of anything, onwe ihe ọbụla eche ịma ezigbote meaning ya ihe ọ pụtara, chọba ya n'Igbo, chọba ihe a na-akpọ ihe anwa n'Igbo. You get it? Tinye uche gị n'Igbo. Define that thing that you do not understand in Igbo, and you will get the true meaning. You know what I mean? And Igbo is also not just a language. Igbo is mathematics. You know what I mean? The same way you have vocabularies in English that sometimes you say something and it has other deep meanings and stuff. It's the same way it is in Igbo language. N'asụsụ Igbo, ị nwere ike ikwu okwu, but ị maghị ihe okwu ikwutere pụtara. Ikwu okwu, but ị maghị ihe okwu ikwulu pụtara. Asị gị kọwaa okwu ikwulu, ị ghọtara ihe ọ bụ. You know, you just said the literal meaning, but you don't really understand the true and deep meaning of what you just said. You know what I mean? So let's get into the topic of today, the meaning of sacrifice in Igbo. Ichu keri hoputala in Igbo. Let's get into it real quick. So Ichu keri hoputala in Igbo. What's the meaning of sacrifice in Igbo language? It simply means Ichu aja. You have to understand that Igbo is mathematics, like I've said before. Okwu Igbo niile nwere deep meaning. Almost all the Igbo words have deeper meanings to it. You know what I mean? So when you say the literal meaning, you can use it to communicate, but you also do not understand what it deeply means. You know? Okwu Igbo niile bụ inu. Inu ka our ancestors na-atụ. Atụọlụ gị nya ka eji sị atụọlụ ọmala atụọlụ ofeke felicity n'ọfịa. You know, you don't really understand what they said. Maybe ihe ọzọ a na-agbara gị, you get me? So, Igbo is mathematics. Igbo is not just a language. You know, so sacrifice in Igbo means Ichu aja. Ichu aja. That is a proverb. Inu ka atụọlụ gị. You get me? So sand means sand. Ichupu aja n'ihe. Ichupu aja n'ihe. To remove sand from something that is not supposed to be dirty. Let me put it like that. Ichupu aja n'ihe aja na kwesịrị ịdị na ya. That is to cleanse. Because sacrifice is to cleanse or to appease a particular spirit or to appease our ancestors. When somebody does something he or she is not supposed to do, the person goes and sacrifice, you know, to cleanse or to appease the gods of the land. You get me? So sand in this context means evil. That is to say that Ichu ajabu, ichupu evil, ichupu ajo mo, ichupu ajo ife. You get me? Now, asigi in Igbo, gije chua aja, gichua aja nezi bale no. That you should go to a road that has 4 lanes. Uzo. A road that has uzo no. a road that has 4 lanes and perform a sacrifice. Gijenuzo balum no ke. Do you have to understand that that 4 road uzina ne represents the 4 elements of life? Eke, oye, afo, nankwo. Now, what's the deeper meaning of eke? Like I've said before, almost all the Igbo words has a deeper meaning to it. So many people will say eke, oye, afo, nkwo, and don't really know the deeper meaning to it. Keye eke potalo. Eke bu oko. Orie bu mmili. Water. Nkwo is ikuku air. Afo bu ani earth. Let me say it again. Eke means oko, light. Oye means mmili, water. Nkwo means ikuku air. Afo means ani, earth. Do you get it now? But so many people would say eke oye afo nkwo, but they don't understand the deeper meaning to it. That's why I said Igbo is mathematics. Igbo is not just a language. You get me? Our ancestors were too wise and intelligent. You have to understand that Igbo is the oldest language on this planet. You have to understand that fact. There is no other language that predates Igbo language anywhere in the universe. So back to our topic. What's the purpose of sacrifice? Ichu aja. So I've already explained to you that ichu aja means to cleanse. You get it now? So what's the purpose of sacrifice? The purpose of sacrifice is to cleanse your heart, your spirit. Ki ucha obigi, ucha obigi, ucha mogi. You know, to remove all the negative energies in your spirit, all the low vibrations in your mind, all the negativities in your heart, all the evils, all the pains, all the grudges in your heart, to remove and cleanse all the negative energies, all the hate, all the negativity. You know, when you're holding a grudge against somebody else, you've become a winch to that person. If you're somebody that has a very strong spirit, you know, when you're holding grudge against somebody else, maybe somebody that did something wrong to you, those forces that are protecting you, those forces that are living within you will be fighting the person physically and spiritually. You know, so sometimes you just let some things go. You know, in our tradition, in ordinary Igbo, there's no such thing as forgiveness. It doesn't exist. Every action has an equal reaction, but you forgive just to free yourself from that bondage that person has pulled you into with their own low vibration. You get me? 2 wrongs don't make a right. You don't become evil just because somebody else did evil to you. You know, you're better than that. You have to vibrate higher. Love is the highest frequency you can vibrate in. You get me? So you have to cleanse your heart all the time. You have to you have to cleanse your heart, your spirit, and your mind. You get me? To prepare your mind, to sacrifice, but to prepare your mind to understand new things, to understand the deeper meanings to things, to cleanse your heart and your mind and your spirit, to be open-minded, to be able to comprehend new things. You know what I mean? Because the brain only comprehends what the mind is ready to comprehend. mmụọ gị na uche gị ga-aghọta sọsọ ihe mmụọ gị dị nkwadebe ịghọta. You know, and ibulu all the negative energy and ihe niile na nwere isi bujuo n'uche gị n'obi gị niile, kezikwan ka ị ga-esi wee debe obi gị ọcha, kezikwan ka ị ga-esi wee debe mmụọ gị ka o esi wee dị ka iwe na-aghọta ka wee na-agbalị gị ama, ka ekwe wee na-akụ ka ma wee na-agbalị gị, so that the ancestors will be revealing things to you, so that the Most High will come inside of you. You know what I mean? Another way to sacrifice, another purpose and reason for sacrifice is to pay for your evil deeds. No evil deeds go unpunished. No evil deeds go unpunished. So change your ways for your own good. Live a straight up life. Become righteous. Become as holy and as innocent as a dove. Debo bigo chachwa haja n'isi gị, chụpụ haja n'isi gị, chụpụ ajọ mmụọ, chụpụ ajọ ife n'isi gị. You know what I mean? Because ihe dị gị n'uche ka ị na-eme n'omume. You know what I mean? So if you do not cleanse your heart, your mind, your spirit, you're going to fill up in there with negativity. And you will basically become a negative-minded person. And that's what you're going to manifest in this physical realm. Because the physical only responds to what the spiritual is projecting. Or that is to say that the spirit controls the physical. You cannot get a positive life with a negative mindset. It's not possible. That's why you have to chwaja n'isi, chupwaja n'obi, chupwaja na mmụọ, so that you will become clean enough for the Most High, for Amadioha, for the Almighty to come inside of you and use you. You get me? You have to chwaja n'isi. That is the meaning of sacrifice. Nobody said you should go and kill an innocent goat, innocent this thing. No, just cleanse your heart. If you want to eat meat, it's because you want to eat meat. The blood of the innocent chicken, goat, cow you are spilling does not atone for anything. Nyakandi Igbo ji wee sị gị na metalụ bulu. Ọ bụrụ imesi alụ isi na ije gbuo ọkụ gbuo efi alụ imera. No, you have to cleanse your heart. You have to chụpụ aja from isi gị, so that you don't do that again. And you have to wait for people ị ga-apịa, because no evil deeds go unpunished. You have to be very conscious of your actions, because every action has an equal reaction. Eke ji wee sị gị metalụ bulu o busiro gbabanje. You get it now? There is no such thing as forgiveness in Ordinary. That's why if you see a true Ordinary person, the person is a very righteous and conscious being. They don't do evil. They see no evil, hear no evil, and do no evil. That's the kind of life we live. That's why we have the information so many people 4, 5, 6, 10 times our age do not have. You know what I mean? Because cleanness is next to godliness. Ebe dị ọcha ka Chineke na-abata, ebe dị ọcha ka Amadioha na-abata bịa gbaa ama. You get it now? So and if you're not supposed to even eat what you offer as a sacrifice. But most ordinary people eat it. That's an error. You're not supposed to eat it. You know? So it's also part of ordinary to use a animal to chwaja, you know, but let's not deceive ourselves or lie to ourselves. The animal you killed is innocent. If you want to eat animal or you want to eat meat, it's because you want to eat meat. The animal you killed did not pay for your evil deeds. You are still going to pay for it. In case you do not know, I'm telling you in straight up. You might not want to hear this, but this is the truth. No evil deeds go unpunished. Because anything you do is a calculated plan of action. It's not an accident. It's been up in your mind. You calculated it. You wanted to do it and you did it. You get me? So for you to even think that the animal you kill or the animal you're using to perform the sacrifice has cleansed your evil deeds, you're deceiving yourself. You have to stop that evil. You have to stop it. Change your ways. Become righteous. Become righteous. Anything that you know that it's evil, do not do it. You know what's good and you know what's bad. Sacrifice, ichu, truly means to cleanse your heart and spirit so that Chuku Amadioha can come in and reveal things to you. Because cleanness is next to godliness. Chupwa jani sigi, chupwa jano bigi, chupwa jana mor. So that you will become clean enough for God to dwell inside of you, because your body is the temple of the Most High. I hope you get it. Peace and love, my people. We're done for today's teaching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Share this video. Share this video. Somebody else might need this information. Peace and love, my people.